Yo, chat. Bro, without wasting time, let's get it. Oh my God. We officially invited for this Sonderthon. First of all, I wanna thank Sam. Bro, this is gonna be like on my knees, bro. Chat, literally, this is gonna be on my knees. Seb, I really appreciate you, bro. I really appreciate you for the support. Bro, really did a lot, much for me to go to the Sonderthon. To those who didn't know, literally, thank you, Seb. Really, bro, I really appreciate it. I don't know whether he's gonna see, like, he's gonna join the stream later, but I really appreciate. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Oh my God, bro. Yo. Bro, we're gonna be firing the fireworks from here. W save for real, chat. W save. Bro, we tried to get, like, I tried getting the big fireworks, but it was so impossible. So we had this. Let's go! God damn! W's in the chat. Yo, let's go. We're officially invited to the Sonderthon. We're coming, Denmark. We're coming. Stop breathing in it. Bro, we're good, bro. W's in the chat. I want to thank you all. Yo, guys, if it wasn't for you guys, I couldn't be nowhere, bro. Yo, I really appreciate you guys, bro. I really appreciate you, man. So that's oh my God. What's this? Bro, finally.